I'm the caregiver for Ann, and she's the caregiver for me, and it's working so far. So you can hope for us.
We enjoyed to see the department, the colleagues, the friends. It's wonderful.
My physician tells me that I'm in pretty good health, that I might make another 10, and I'm looking forward to attending 10 more. Rather than talking about me, I'd rather introduce my guest for the evening, Dr. Alan Clower. Would you mind standing, Alan? Alan certainly not unknown to the department. He received his PhD from the department in 1968. I think John Hurt was your advisor, is that correct?
We all remember when we were growing up and we have our kids, and they always had these projects, for you get tangled in a big panic, at last minute you needed help with the kids out. Well, then the grandkids come along, and they still have needs for some help on the projects. It doesn't stop there.
It doesn't.
So my great-grandkids have pulled me in, one of the great-grandkids, pulled me into their latest high school project. It never ends, okay?
See, I didn't have time to prepare. I only heard this was starting at 9 o'clock this morning. Well, anyway, so we finished this 2-week trip to France, and in September we decided to take a cruise around the British Isles, Norwegian cruise line.
I have yet to find another department in the country that honors their emeriti in the way that we do.
And many more.